It's that time of year again. The San Miguel Arcangel Church is holding its 29th annual Family Fiesta, and you're invited to join in on the fun this Saturday, July 21st and Sunday, July 22nd at the church grounds located on 1100 Camp Street in Midland, Texas. There will be live entertainment for all the family to enjoy, which will include a variety of norteño bands and conjuntos like Nacho Galindo Jr. y su Conjunto Vencedor.
Apresuradita, la mexicanita va pasando por la calle vistiendo bonito, pues ¿qué le pasa a usted?
Cumbre de Ojinaga.
Como paloma que vaga errante, sin rumbo fijo y sin dirección.
Conjunto Malcriado.
Barbas, el barba azul, barbas.
And many more. And of course, all the great mixes from DJ Mando. Make sure to get there early to join in on all the fun and games like the horseshoe tournament and bingo with your chances to win great prizes. Admission for adults is $1 and children 12 and under are free. Remember, the fun is this Saturday, July 21st and Sunday, July 22nd at the 29th Annual Family Fiesta.